I'm Jacob.
And here is what we did tonight.
Cool. So for the new material, we definitely started with a more complex connection drill. So we had done other kind of simpler, easier ones in the past. This time we made it a little bit harder. We're trying to actually dance based on feel rather than just trying to predict what's going to happen by watching our partner. So follower has their eyes closed, leader has my eyes open, so we don't run into people and stuff. And I'm waiting until we feel moving up the anchor. So our weight's back. Cool. Back over our back foot, leader right, follower left. And then follower is just waiting till they feel me lead them down the slot on one. Right? So we have that feeling of being anchored right here. There's the stretch there. And then we're just sort of testing Melissa for her to wait for the feel to go. Cool. And then we did this with leaders, where I've got my eyes closed, follower has their eyes open, and I'm kind of here. I'm anchored and ready to go, but I'm waiting till I feel my follower be anchored before I lead them, because I can't lead them until we have the connection. And then one more time. I'm anchored and ready to go. Cool. Just trying to continue to build our feel for the dance, which is the most challenging but most rewarding part of this dance.
And the point of that is for followers to honor being led on one, not taking off on their own, and leaders to honor waiting till their follower is finished before they lead the one.
Cool. Then we kind of briefly talked about a few other things. One of those being introducing another element of frame, which is because we want our frame to be kind of rigid but forgiving, right? So there's a little give to it. So we're not just here, we're not like dancing metal robots, but we're also not, we can't have noodles either. So the one that I said was to imagine, at least for leaders, imagine around your cucumbers, got that little wobble, but we are kind of rigid enough so that follower can know, right? That's really for, that is for both of us. We also went back a second when we were covering starter step, reviewing starter step. We're trying to pay attention to back here, where after the triple step and triple step, I'm kind of creating space with that. Follower's got to go back at the end of the second triple step, and then we have our stretch feeling here. And then leader, I've got to lead my follower down the slot with a step on one. Cool. That was another separate note that was really, really important. If you're ever practicing and everything, your one leaders is always going down the slot no matter what pattern you're doing. Cool. Then our actual
New step.
And then the new pattern that we learned was a free spin. So we got into the free spin from a sugar push. 5 and 6. We dropped the left hand, keep the right. And then we learned step down slot on 1, prepping on 2, and then I kind of triple in place, and that triple creates the pull back on the hand that then compels the follower.
Turn and then 5 and 6. And for followers, we said that our feet are going just forward on 1, opening up on 2, and then triple stepping my turn, 5 and 6. We talked about keeping our steps small under our feet so we're not like traveling like crazy. And I think we said it was 1.5 times.
And we'll just demo it one more time from this side so you can see all the followers. So from this side.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. That was class. Great job.
Hey.